So for dual boot, first you need to install Windows. So you go to machine, add a new machine, give it a name, and follow the same procedure that you do to install Windows. You give it a suitable name, then you upload the ISO image, then click on next, and you change the host name. It should not contain any underscore, and change the username if you like. You can also change the password. Now it is default set as change me. Increase the base memory. You can go up to the green limit, and create a virtual hard disk. I'm creating a disk of 80 GB, and you should not click on settings right away because the VirtualBox starts the virtual machine first. So if you start the settings while the virtual machine is running, some settings might not show. So you first need to close that window. Now you go back to your VirtualBox and change some settings. Okay, so you go to advanced setting, and you set the shared clipboard and drag and drop to bidirectional. And I'm going to change the system settings. I'm going to put optical drive first, and you can go to display and enable the 3D acceleration. Go to storage, and it is select live cd for the Windows ISO file. Now we are done with the settings. Click on start. Now you press any key. Now the setup is starting, and it will automatically start the installation. This part depends on your computer. Some computer it finishes in a less time, and sometimes it takes too much time. So I will fast forward this part. So it took about 16 minutes, and now it is almost completed. So you can see that the Windows is installed in our virtual machine. Now you need to close it and upload the Ubuntu ISO image instead of the Windows image. So you go to settings, and the previous settings are the same. Now just you select the Windows 11, and instead of it you choose the Ubuntu ISO image. Now you click on start. So you now need to open the Windows boot manager. So it is starting Windows. What you need to do is that there are some shortcut keys that you can press when you restart. So it will automatically open the advanced options for restart. So you can search on Google, or there is another way that you can open your Windows and then go to settings, and in a recovery option you select advanced restart. So it will also help you to go to boot manager. Okay, so I have found that the shift F10 is the shortcut key. So it will open the boot manager. Okay, you go to troubleshoot and advanced option and UEFI firmware settings, and click on restart. Now here you can see that We can go to boot manager. Let's select the second option, UEFI VirtualBox CD-ROM, and here click on the first option, try or install Ubuntu. So now it will install Ubuntu. It will take some time. Ubuntu installation usually takes more time than the Windows installation. You can choose minimal installations. It will take less time. Okay, so I have fast forwarded the installation part. The installation is complete. So we have installed Ubuntu in our previously Windows machine. Now when you restart, you can see that we will get both the options for Ubuntu and Windows. And you can see that first there is Ubuntu and the third option is for Windows. So now we have installed both Windows and Ubuntu on our virtual machine. So that was it for DuelBoot. Thank you.